Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to transfer all data on WhatsApp from old to new phone. So let's get started. In order to do that, you'll have to download WhatsApp account in your secondary phone as well. Once you download the WhatsApp account on your secondary phone, select your preferred language and tap continue and continue with the process along with agree and continue on your WhatsApp account. After that, you will be asked to enter your phone number. To use companion mode, ignore that and tap on the three dot option available in the top right corner. Then tap on the link to existing account. The app will display a QR code. Next, use your main smartphone to scan the QR code or enter a passcode and link your account. Open WhatsApp on your main smartphone, then tap on the three dot on the overflow menu and tap link devices and link the both of your devices and all your data will be transferred to the new phone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.